Howdy folks, this is Old Boy Rides. My name's Paul. That's a grader. You can't see the grader. Going down the road right over there. This is the tip of the blizzard that's coming. We're under a blizzard warning right now. All the schools, all the stores, everything are closing now. Courthouses, everything. An hour ago. This is Wednesday, the 21st of January. It's going to sweep across the southern United States, probably down to the Carolinas. So get your generators ready. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty nasty. It's intensifying. I don't know if you can see it, but all the snow drifting and blowing across the farmer field right behind me. It's really whipping. You can hear the wind blowing in the trees. Starting to blow. It's really coming through there. Holy Toledo. Okay. Walk down here a little ways. Got a fence here to keep the dog out of the farm field. Yeah, it's intensifying. They shut everything down, all the courthouses. Hopefully you can see it. Wind's starting to blow pretty good, especially out in the field. They shut everything down, all the courthouses in the small towns around here and everything. I live in a rural area. So, basically, stuck on a raspberry bush. Alright. Here's a better look, maybe. Just get prepared. It's coming across the U.S. west to east. Sounds like it's going to hit the southern states that normally don't get it. Quite possibly freezing temperatures in northern Florida by the weekend. It's approximately 2:30 right now, 2:30 p.m. Wednesday the 21st. Tomorrow night I got a low of 18 below zero. Not wind chill, regular temperature. Wind chill will probably put it about 30 below. 30, 35 below, I imagine. Gonna be that way for a couple days. Here it comes. Alright, just a heads up, that's all. Get prepared, everybody. And hopefully I'll be riding in a couple months. Anyway. Thanks for watching. Please give a thumbs up. Please subscribe if you haven't. By all means, stay warm, stoke your fires, get your generators ready, and have a good day. And by all means, take an adventure, even if it's in your own backyard. Thank you. I appreciate you.